Here the patient was given, there was a patient who had palpitations, she had some positive history, you can read the question yourselves, but ultimately they have given us the diagnosis. So never waste your time when they give you diagnosis, okay? So you are having a diagnosis of atrial flutter, and now they're asking what is the most likely finding to be present on his ECG. So what happens? Most likely finding they're asking. See, this is the diagram, not a diagram, means ECG of atrial flutter. You can't say you are not discernible P waves. Like, of course, there you can't discern, but main thing is this. Main thing to see in atrial flutter. This is out of the question topic, but you can see sawtooth pattern. This is a sawtooth pattern. This is the diagnostic pathognomonic of atrial flutter. Okay, and first thing that occurs is atrioventricular block. What does that mean? How will you diagnose atrioventricular block? Right. So first of all, see the distance between two QRS waves. Can you see? It's all uneven. And see where can you find P wave? I guess this is the P wave. I guess this is no, not this. This one is a wave. So can you see QRS is not, I mean P is not followed by QRS. P is random, QRS is random. So there is a atrioventricular difference. There is a atrioventricular block. Atria is contracting on its own, ventricle is contracting on its own through Purkinje network system. Even that is a nodal fiber, right? Ventricle can contract on its own without SA node. So this is the thing. But you can't say like this early that you can't see P wave. No discernible P waves is a characteristic of fibrillation, right? You can't see P waves. Atrial rate is 200 to 400 and AV node can't conduct this frequency of impulse. Certain impulses don't cross AV node, right? Because see, atrial rate is 200 to 400. And do you know what AV node's rate is to conduct the impulse? AV node is the slowest in conductance. That you should know. That is a good MCQ. AV node is the lowest conductance, lowest. So like out of this 200, 400, suppose 40, 60 are reaching here and it is passing, but rest all are not passed. So certain impulses do not cross AV node. That is called atrioventricular block. So atria contract, ventricles don't at some time, but ventricle can contract on their own. So ventricular rate will be normal, but atrial rate will be 400 to 400 range. Okay, this is called a classic AV block. Slurred upstroke of R is WPV, Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome. So in Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome, when I don't know if it's called slur, but there is a sloping type. Here there will be a P wave, right? Then there will be something like this, and then there will be this QRS wave. So this slope you are saying, na, at the Q, starting of Q, this is the characteristic of Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome. Wolff-Parkinson-White, remember that. Stretch activated cationic channels. So Winkie-Beck phenomenon. You know what Winkie-Beck phenomenon is? Mobitz type 1 block. Atrioventricular block, as I said, that is the answer. No discernible P waves, that's fibrillation. Atrial rate above 400 beats per minute, that's fibrillation again, because till 400 there is flutter, 200 to 400. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.